Good evening again. Just to recap the headlines tonight, warm and humid. No big changes just yet, except for the clouds coming up on the increase. You know, we've had a pretty nice Memorial Day with only a few showers, mainly off to the east. But now we're looking at an increase in cloud cover, humidity as well, to set up a severe weather possibility for tomorrow, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Strong to severe thunderstorms in the forecast. Large hail and damaging winds are going to be the primary threats. Heavy rain and localized flooding always a possibility, but there'll be a slight chance, and I'll put it at about 10%, that with some of these thunderstorms, we could see isolated tornadoes. Remember, there's a lot of wind energy in these supercells, and once they develop, they can produce smaller tornadoes. The wind shear environment just isn't very high, not a real conducive environment for tornadoes to be widespread, so that's why there's not a high risk of that. Now, let's step it through. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we're pretty socked in with the cloud cover, but the showers should hold off until about 2 or 3 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. Notice that they're pretty isolated at first, but then watch this storm line that begins to brew over Midland push east and into our area by about 5:30 or 6 p.m., about this time tomorrow. And a good widespread line of very strong thunderstorms, very heavy rain that should last all the way through the 8:30 or 9 p.m. hours. So if this line slows down enough, we really could see some localized flooding. Definitely have to pay attention and stay weather aware tomorrow afternoon. The line pushes through by midnight at the latest. Might even see some breaks in the cloud cover as we head into Wednesday morning. But then look at the cloud cover increase again. See, we're really not changing air masses without this being like a huge cold front where we get good dry air to build in. Now, the risk of severe tomorrow, Severe Prediction Center has most of the area under a level 2 of seeing those damaging wind gusts and large hail. Again, that being the primary threats. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. The 1 out of 5 risk moves east of Brownwood, but not quite to Morgan Mill or into the DFW area. So for tonight, temperatures will stay a bit on the mild side, down to about the mid-60s after midnight, and then by tomorrow afternoon, warming right back up with good southerly winds to southeasterly winds. We should be hitting right around 80 degrees. And the winds, again, wind speeds won't be too strong, and around the thunderstorms they will be for sure. Extended forecast for San Angelo, weather impact alert with an 80% chance of the storms tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, into early Wednesday, possible 30%, but I think we clear out. And then 84 goes up to 88 or 89. With rain chances returning Friday night and into Saturday with more weather impact alert, especially for the weekend. Same for Abilene. This is going to be a wide-reaching line with strong storms available by tomorrow afternoon at 80%, 40% early Wednesday, and again, another good chance of rain in Abilene on Saturday.